Hello everybody and welcome back to Debugged. In this video, we are going to explain what is a REST API. So, look at this diagram. It shows how a REST API works. On the left, we have the client. As we mentioned, this can be a mobile application or a website. On the right, we have the server. This is where the data and the application logic are stored. In the center of it, notice the box labeled REST API, and below it the words HTTP interface. This tells us that a REST API uses the HTTP protocol to communicate between the client and the server. Now look at the top arrows. They are labeled as HTTP request and show the words GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Each of these describes an action. Get is used to read data. Post is used to create new data. Put is used to update existing data. And delete is used to remove data. So the request flows from client to the REST API and then to the server. Now look at the bottom arrows. They are labeled as HTTP response and JSON data. This means that the server sends information back in a structured text format called JSON. The response flows from server to the REST API and then to the client. So, based on this image, a REST API is an API that follows clear rules, uses HTTP methods, and exchanging data in a JSON format. So, a REST API is a standard way for clients and servers to communicate over HTTP. Until next time, see you!